Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by updating your iPhone 15 and confirming permissions so Genmoji can access camera and mic. This prevents interruptions later. Once done, open Messages or FaceTime where Genmoji is supported and tap the app drawer. If you don't see Genmoji, swipe to add and enable it. This registers the sticker/AR extension. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or 5G connection for downloads, because the first asset pack is often several megabytes and must finish before customizing. You now build the Genmoji. Select a base face and immediately set skin tone and hair so shapes match later animations. Then adjust expressions and accessories. Choosing forehead, eyes, and mouth shapes changes how the AR maps to your face, so test a few. Next, pick voice or text to speech and tweak animation intensity. Higher intensity amplifies movement but may clip on small gestures. Once comfortable, press preview to see the avatar track live. Note any lag to correct permissions or reset. You finish by saving your preset and exporting as a sticker pack or short video. Choose resolution and loop settings based on where you'll share it. Then insert your Genmoji into Messages or FaceTime by selecting the app icon and picking the saved avatar. For social apps, export to Photos first. If tracking fails, toggle camera and mic permissions, force quit the app, and relaunch, often clearing cache or restarting the iPhone 15 resolves sensor calibration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.